let's just come over here.
Sorry, apparently I couldn't control myself.
No, it's fine. I want you to just have that squelched in your mind, you know.
I know.
Here's your on-off switch, okay? On-off. You've got auto or gas, okay? I recommend you always keep it on auto. Excuse me. If you have it on gas only, it's only going to pull from propane. If you have it on automatic, it'll switch automatically. So if you're plugged in, you've got shore power, the electric will take precedence every time. It'll always choose electric over propane.
Okay.
Once you unplug, it'll switch automatically to propane. If you're just on gas and you plug in, it's not going to automatically switch to electric. So if you think you're on electric,
Just leave it out.
keep it on auto.
Just leave it on auto,
So
yeah,
there's no
yeah.
way you can mix that up. I honestly do recommend keeping it more of like a 3 or a 4 because it pulls so much power and you never need it to be that cold. But again, it's just for you to regulate for your own family needs.
Mm-hmm.
Now, here's the thing about it. It will switch automatically to propane once you unplug, okay? And it will work while you're going down the road. The thing about it is actually illegal to run open propane bottles as you're going down the road.
That's what I was
It's a little
wondering.
unsafe, and it is technically illegal, but it is one of those things that people do all the time anyways.
Okay.
So, you know, if you don't
Make
want to
a
mess around
decision.
and you want to just be completely legal and completely safe, you know what? Crank it to the 5. Let it get cold. Really get your stuff cold. Close it. Don't open it. Leave it. Shut everything down. Should be where you're going. Don't put your seafood in there.
Right.
Under questionable circumstances. But drinks, most of the stuff that you're going to be done with by the time you're going home from camping, you know. Or same thing, if you've got it at home in your driveway, packing it up, getting it ready, click the propane on. Get this cold. Get the stuff in there so it's at least started. It's going to be at least as good as like a cooler. Hell, even throw some ice in there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So there's kind of ways around that.
Okay.
And it will switch automatically, but the safest bet is to not run your bottles
Yeah,
open.
while you're driving. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Thank you.
Not a
Thank you for
problem.
addressing that.
No, it's okay.
I
It's
wasn't
okay.
I wasn't sure.
No. I don't like forgetting stuff, but